Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So we have today Vienna's pet treater for May. Do you want to know what toy she's going to be playing on this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Vienna's pet treater just arrived for May. She does get the toy only box, so let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what she has this time. You ready? You want to see your toys? You want to see your bag and see what's inside your box? You want to see what's in your box with all your toys? Yeah? Okay. Sit on your booty. Oop, sit on your booty. Thank you. You're such a good girl. Okay, so it always comes in this bag right here. And now she's perking up. She's like, ooh, now I remember. Inside of here is going to be, you have a fish. Look, you want to go fishing? Ooh, there's a squeaker. And so this is what it looks like. And it has like a crinkle, something, yeah, there's like a little crinkle in the tail. And it says, River Fish Dog Toy. Toss, fetch, play, squeeze me. I crinkle and I crinkle and I squeak. She's digging in the back. Ma'am, can I get him out for you? Hi. Oh, excuse you, can you get out of the, ma'am? Here, let me get it out for you because you are like, So in here, there is the Smart Choice dog toy. It says the Smart Choice for pets, strong and dental. She doesn't really chew these much, so I don't know if I'll take this one off to give to her because she doesn't ever really chew on these. She has so many of these around, and if she ever does pull one out, she just drops it and leaves it wherever. She doesn't ever like do anything with it. So I think I'll save this and give this to another dog that would definitely use it for how it's intended, because she won't. So here's that one. Then we have B, our next pick of the litter contest. I did send hers in. On here it says congratulations to Bo. That was the winner for, you can send your dog in like pictures of them and they'll choose one of them to put on the card. And then if you do that, they give you a free item in your bag. So that is why she has an extra item in her bag. I'm going to assume it's going to be this. I think she might like this because she loves playing ball, throwing, catching, that kind of thing. So I think she'll actually like this little knotted thing. She's trying to take it now, so there's that. Then she's going to have, oh, we got two things in here. Oh my gosh, look at how adorable. Oh my goodness gracious. It says pet treater down there. She's gnawing on this little ball thing right now. That is adorable, especially for like summertime, springtime. Those colors are gorgeous. Yeah, this is gonna go around you. You're not gonna like it then, are ya? Are ya? You're so cute. Oh, you're so pretty. Pretty, you're so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Look, show them. Look, show them. She's like, where's my toys? How cute. I love those colors. And then there's one more toy that is in here, and it's a football. Football. It is a treat ball. So, okay, so you can open this up. You put the treat inside of it and close it, and then they can try to get it out. That's really neat. I'm going to try that. I'm going to put a couple of her bones in there and see how long it takes her to get it out. But it says 100% natural rubber treat fetch toy, stylish, fun, and durable, size small through large. So this is the same size, small through large. And then, like I said, you just open that, put a treat inside, and then, yeah, close it back up, and it's shaped like a little football. I'm gonna go ahead and stick a couple treats in here and give it to her and see if she can get them out. Okay, so she has two different treats rolling around in there. She's like, why does it smell like my treat? It's inside. I think she's a little confused on why her treats smell like they're inside of this thing. She's like, I don't understand. You gotta get it out. I'm not gonna help you. You gotta get them out. Get your treats out of there. She's trying to figure it out. It's literally been almost 10 minutes by now, and it's definitely keeping her entertained. She's trying so hard to figure it out. So those are the toys that she got this month. She got the football, she got the chew toy, there's the fish that she's going to love until she chews a hole in it, and then the ball, which one of them was a free thing for sending in her photo last month, but there's that for May. So if you guys want to see her playing with her new toys, then here you go. You want me to take your bandana off? Okay, you guys, so that was her playing with her toys, living her best life, as always. The simple things in life. I mean, really? Huh? Yes, you just love to play. Play, 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 play and eat. Play and eat, play and eat, huh? Yes. So if you guys would like a little bit more information about Pet Treater, I will let you know right now because there is dog and cat options. So the first one we'll talk about is the dog pack. That one is $15 a month. Each pack is filled with 3 to 4 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, mostly USA and Canadian-made treats, never China, and extra goodies. So 3 to 4 miscellaneous mix between toys and treats. It's only $15 a month. Then there's the deluxe dog pack, which is $25. So if you have multiple dogs or you just want your dog to be spoiled more, that one's $25, and you'll get 5 to 8 selected items. Same thing with the toys and the treats. And then you can do a treat only. So if your dog doesn't play with toys much and you just want the treats, you can do a treat only. That's $18 a month, and you'll get 3 to 4, mostly USA and Canada, never China made treats. Or you can do the toy only like she gets. So toys only, no treats whatsoever, because I do make all of her own food and treats. So I don't give her anything that's store-bought or anything, so I wouldn't even give them to her. So I'm so glad that they offer just the toy only box. So for this one, it's $18 every month, and she'll get 3 to 4 hand-selected toys. Sometimes, like, obviously they'll put the bandana in there as well, and that is just so cute. And then the holiday theme stuff they put in there is just really neat as well. And it's free shipping. So any of those, it's free shipping. So she gets $18, free shipping, and she gets her toys, and she loves it. The cat pack, they have 2 different options for cats. One is $15. That one would be 3 to 4 hand-selected items featuring a variety of super fun toys, treats, and extra goodies. Or the multi-cat pack. So if you have multiple cats or you just want to spoil your cat, you can do that one for $25 a month, and you'll get 5 to 8 items. You do not get the option of a treat only or a toy only for the cat one, just the small versus the large size. So that is everything for this particular box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of Pet Treater? What do you think of the toys that she got this month? What do you think of my little baby playing? Hey man, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.